In this video, I'm going to show you how to use calculator math nodes on iPhone on iOS 18 to solve simple mathematics or basic mathematics. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is to open the calculator app from the home screen by going to utilities. So locate the utility folder and open the calculator app, or better still, swipe down the control center like this and open the calculator app. Then this is going to open the calculator app on your iPhone. This is just the basic calculator we all know on iOS 17. Now click on the calculator icon at the bottom left like this, and then click on math nodes. Once you click on math nodes, click on nodes at the bottom right. Then this is going to pop up where you can easily take notes directly from the calculator. Now click on this pencil icon. Now while on this page, you want to click on any of these pencil icons to choose any one of your choice, and then come here. Let's say 2 plus 2. Just need to write equals. Then you see that. So let's have this like this. Square it. Hang on. Then what if we divide this by 2 or by 4? Hang on as well. Then can we take the square root of this? Then hang on. Then you see that? So that's one way that you can use to use the calculator node on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you hit the back button, you're gonna set this saved here like this from your handwriting. So that's one way. Now once you're done like this, you can just give this math a title. Let's say simple math note, and then save. So this is going to save the math as a simple math note on your iPhone on iOS 18 using the handwriting note. You can always use this to solve any simple mathematics on your iPhone on iOS 18. 2 times 2 plus 1 equals, so is that, then answer divided by 2. Then you're going to see the result as well. So that's how you can easily use the iPhone calculator math note on your iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.